Okay, so get ready, because today we're diving deep into something pretty wild.
Oh, yeah.
AI website design tools.
In 2025, no less.
Right.
Wild times.
Yeah, and, we've got a ton of articles and expert opinions to sort of like wade through today.
A lot of chatter.
Yeah, and honestly, it's moving so fast, it's kind of hard to keep up, but
It is.
that's what we're here for, right? To break it down.
That's right.
So these AI tools, they're not just like a fad or something.
Yeah, I think they're going to be essential pretty soon.
Yeah, they're already changing how we think about making websites.
Absolutely, and how we make them.
Right. Like it used to be, you had to,
Hire some...
find a web guru.
Yeah, like some kind of wizard.
Right, exactly. And now it's like almost anyone can do it.
Oh, yeah.
It's like having this virtual design assistant,
Totally. And the thing is, they're using some really complex tech,
Oh, yeah, like what?
like machine learning and natural language processing.
Okay, but you don't have to be like a coder to use them.
Right. That's the beauty of it.
Okay, so less intimidating than it sounds.
Way less.
So let's get to the good stuff.
All right.
We found 10 of the top tools everyone's using.
Ooh, lay it on me.
Okay, so first up, Wix ADI 2.0.
All right, Wix.
Yeah, and it's got this ChatGPT integration.
So what that means is,
It basically writes your website copy for you,
oh, I know, right?
like a robot copyright.
Exactly. So headlines, product descriptions, all that.
Yeah, you just feed it info about your brand and boom.
Okay, but I'm thinking, like, wouldn't you lose some of your brand's voice that way?
That's the question, isn't it? Like,
Yeah.
it's super efficient, but does it really capture, like,
Your style.
yeah, your style, your tone?
Right.
That's the debate with a lot of these AI tools.
Okay, it makes sense. So next we have Framo AI.
Framer, okay, I've heard of that one.
Yeah, it's supposed to be great for startups because
Because
it makes these interactive prototypes super fast.
from like what? Just an idea?
Pretty much. Yeah, it's like you sketch something on a napkin
Yeah.
and then it turns it into a clickable prototype. Oh, wow.
Yeah, right?
So you can see how it would work.
Exactly.
That's cool.
Okay, and speaking of fast, there's Durable.
Durable.
They claim to build a whole website in 30 seconds.
What, 30 seconds? Come on.
I know, it's crazy, right?
'Cause that's less time than it takes me to, like...
Make coffee.
Yeah.
So it uses AI to make like a basic website.
Okay, with, like, placeholder content and images.
Right, and it even does SEO optimization.
Oh, wow. So it's, like, ready to go.
Yeah, you're online in a snap.
But is it, like, super basic?
Yeah.
You know? Like a cookie cutter website?
Or yeah, you'd probably want to customize it more to make it stand out.
Right.
But to get something up and running super fast,
Can't beat it.
right. Okay, next is Bookmark Ada.
Bookmark. Okay.
And this one's supposed to be really affordable.
Ah, so good for if you're just starting out.
Exactly. And it's easy to use even if you don't know any coding.
Oh, nice.
And it has e-commerce features built in.
Oh, wow. So you could sell stuff right away.
Yeah, so it's like the easy button for launching an online business.
Very cool.
Okay, then there's 10Web.
10Web.
Yeah, and this one's all about taking old websites.
Like really old ones.
Yeah, and giving them a makeover.
Oh, so you don't have to start from scratch.
Right. It can update the layout, the colors, make it mobile friendly.
Ah, that's handy.
Okay, so before we move on, I'm curious about the tech behind all this.
Yeah, like how does it actually work?
Right, like the machine learning and all that.
Right, right.
Can you explain it like I'm 5?
Okay, so machine learning is like, it's like teaching a computer to spot patterns.
Okay.
So it looks at tons of websites, learns what works.
Ah, and then it uses that to make new designs.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. And what about natural language processing?
So that's how the computer understands what you're saying.
Oh, so like when you type in what you want?
Yeah, it turns your words into like design choices.
That's so cool.
It is pretty cool.
Okay, so next up, Jimdo Dolphin.
Jimdo. Now that one's interesting because
Because...
it's all about sustainability.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the AI actually tries to make eco-friendly websites.
So like using less energy or something.
Yeah, like minimizing energy-heavy design elements and stuff.
Wow, that's pretty forward thinking.
It is.
Okay, next we have Zyro. And this one's like super futuristic.
Oh, yeah, Zyro. They're doing some really cool things.
Yeah, like voice navigation
Oh.
and even augmented reality integrations.
So, like, you could talk to your website?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, or see virtual product demos.
Whoa, that's wild.
I know, right? Okay, and for the creatives out there, there's Squarespace AI.
Squarespace? Okay, I know them.
Yeah, so they're using DALL-E 3 now.
DALL-E 3 for websites.
Yeah, to make like unique images and animations.
Oh, that's cool. So you could have like one-of-a-kind visuals.
Exactly.
That's pretty awesome.
Okay, and finally we have B12, which is great for service businesses.
B12. Right, what do they do?
So it helps with client stuff like scheduling appointments, sending invoices.
And it designs the website too.
Yep. It's like a whole business management system.
Wow, so it frees you up to actually do the work.
Exactly.
That's a game changer.
So we've covered a lot of tools here.
A lot of cool tools.
And I know some people are worried about AI replacing designers.
Right, like, is it the end of human creativity?
Yeah, but what do you think?
I think it's more like a partnership.
Yeah.
You know, like AI can handle the grunt work,
Yeah.
but humans still bring the creativity, the strategy.
Right. It's like AI is the assistant.
Yeah, like a super-powered assistant.
And that lets designers do what they do best.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've learned a lot today.
We have.
These tools are making websites faster, cheaper, easier to make.
And more accessible, for sure.
And they're just going to keep getting better.
It makes you wonder what's next. You know?
Like, how will this change the internet?
Like, will we see even crazier stuff than we've talked about?
Who knows? But it's definitely exciting.
It is.
So keep experimenting, stay curious, and we'll see you next time for another deep dive.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos for more website design tips and tricks.